Kia Corporation is making significant strides towards a more electric and customer-focused future with the introduction of the all-new Kia PV5. The model has just been launched in Korea and is expected to arrive in Europe soon. Built on Kia's advanced E-GMP.S all-electric platform, the PV5 features a modular and flexible design that allows it to serve as a passenger vehicle, a van, or a chassis cab, adapting to a wide range of customer needs. The vehicle also boasts advanced software connectivity, aligning with Kia's broader goals in electrification and digital mobility. The PV5 Passenger variant features a clean, futuristic look. Its front end includes high-mounted angular LED strips that function as both daytime running lights and indicators, while the main headlights are positioned lower. A centrally located charging port sits on the fascia, flanked by a front-facing camera above a larger radar sensor below. Along the sides, the PV5 displays rugged plastic body claddings along the lower panels, while the upper section features prominent side mirrors and expansive glass surfaces. The pillars, bonnet, and upper fenders are finished in black for a modern contrast. At the rear, the passenger version comes with a single lift-up tailgate, whereas the cargo and crew models are equipped with dual side-opening rear doors. Inside, the PV5 offers a spacious, functional cabin with a clean and geometrical dashboard layout. Both upper and lower storage compartments are integrated into the dashboard, enhancing utility without compromising aesthetics. A 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, paired with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system runs on Google's Android Automotive OS, offering over-the-air updates and access to built-in App Store for installing business-specific applications. Additionally, the PV5 supports vehicle-to-load technology, allowing it to power external electronic devices. Kia will offer the PV5 with 3 battery pack options: 43.3 kWh, 51.5 kWh, and 71.2 kWh. All configurations are powered by a single front-mounted electric motor producing 163 horsepower. The top-tier 71.2 kWh battery provides an estimated range of up to 400 km, approximately 249 miles. All variants support fast charging, capable of replenishing from 10% to 80% in just around 30 minutes.